Oo, may pinisil si Shaira. Muscles. Hi Mama, good morning. Samantalang mga kapuso, nagbabalik ang pangmalakas ng tagisan ng talino sa umaga. Ito ang UH Quiz B. Mas matindi at pina-level up, yes, ang labanan natin dito. Kaya naman ngayong umaga, nasa Chiang Kai-shek College, ang quiz masters natin sina Miss Lynn at si Sean. Hi guys, simulan na natin ang tagisan ng talino. Baba!
Ayun naman! Good morning mga kapuso! Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Chiang Kai-shek College, Manila para sa pinatinding UH
Quiz B!
Pero alam niyo ba mga kapuso, hindi lang world-class na talino ang produkto ng skwelang ito ha, kundi world-class din sa larangan ng sports.
Yes, kasi produkto rin ng Chiang Kai-shek College Manila ang nagbigay karangalan sa bansa nung Paris 2024 Olympics na si EJ Obiena.
And guess what? Meron siyang mensahe para sa ating mga kalahok ngayong umaga. Ito, panoorin niyo ha, si EJ Obiena.
Hi, I'm EJ Obiena, wishing all the Chiang Kai-shek College students taking part in the unang here at Quiz B. Good luck sa inyong lahat. Wishing you all the best.
Ayun naman.
Ayun.
Good luck daw.
Maraming salamat sa pang-video greet, Idol EJ.
Yes. Idol EJ talaga. Ang galing-galing niya sa larangan pinili niya. Okay. So, now it's time. Pakilala natin ang ating mga unang contestants.
Kasi maliban sa sports, sure ako na matitinik ang mga estudyante dito. Kaya eto na. Pakilala natin ang ating unang contestant.
That's right. Siya ay si Hans Benedicto, isang grade 10 student. Siya ay 2-time silver medalist sa Team Eagle International English Competition. At siya rin ay contest contender ng Algebra. So algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and statistics. So si Hans Benedicto.
Ayan. At ang makakalaban niya ngayong umaga, tawagin na natin si Aisha Von Oshante ang isa ring grade 10 student, siya ay bronze and silver medalist sa algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and statistics.
Ayun, and to monitor their answers, makakasama natin si Sir Omar Arvelo, math teacher and trainer. At si Sir Alan Ray Villaverde, junior high school supervisor and English teacher.
And wave to the camera, sir.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng forma ni sir today, ha?
Oo nga, I like.
Okay, bago tayo magsimula, mechanics muna natin. Paunahan lang sa pagpindot ng buzzer. Pag napindot nyo, may 5 seconds kayo para sumagot. Kapag mali yung sagot, pwedeng steal ng kalaban. Okay ba?
At 10 points each para sa easy round and 50 points each naman para sa difficult round with the right answers. Ang may pinakamataas na points na makukuha ang tatanghaling Quiz Bee champion na tatanggap ng 5,000 pesos at 3,000 pesos doon sa runner-up natin.
Siyempre, walang uuwing luhaan. Okay, ready na?
Talaga.
Kamay sa baba.
Yan. Okay, first question is, ano ang square root of 841? Square root of 841. So you have 5 seconds to answer that question.
5, 4, 3. Oops, nadagdagan pala. 7, 6.
Ay, 10 seconds.
Kanina 10 yung nakalagay
Oo
eh.
nga eh. Sige.
Okay.
Ayan, square root of 841.
Skip.
Sila sir, feeling ko alam na nila. Ayan o.
Let's give them a little bit more time.
Okay. Actually, ako hirap-hirap ako sa square root, honestly. Kailangan
Ako
sa
rin
akin, 2 digits lang.
Okay, time is up. Any guesses? Anyone?
Hans, you have a guess?
Wala.
Otherwise, we're moving on to our second question.
Is it 91?
I'm sorry?
91?
Did you say 91? That is incorrect. How about you? All right, none. All right, let's move on to the second question.
The correct answer was 29.
29.
Okay, here is our next question. The SI unit kilogram meters squared per second cube is also known as, again, the SI unit kilogram meters squared per second cube is also known as, Aisha?
Watts.
Watts is correct. That's 10 points for Aisha.
Now let's move on to the third question. And the question is, Kamay sa baba, hands.
Yan.
What is 257 times 45? 257 times 45. Again, that's what is 257 times 45.
The given is on the LED screen.
All right, we have 10 seconds. 10 seconds to answer that question, and 10 seconds starts now.
10,
Do we have a timer?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Yes, hands.
11,065.
I'm sorry, pakiulit.
11,065.
11,065?
65.
65? That is
I am so sorry.
incorrect, Aisha.
Okay, the correct answer is 11,565.
Konting-konti na, labit na,
may
labit
isang
na.
digit lang ang nawala, pero okay lang yan. Meron pa tayong oras.
pa yan.
Meron
Pwede
pa.
pang bumawi. Okay, here's number 4. Ilang letra ang bumubuo sa makabayang alpabetong Filipino? Hans.
28.
28 is correct. That's 10 points for
10
Hans.
points!
Ayun. 10 points each na.
Yeah, so ito na ang tiebreaker, ha? Ito yung tiebreaker question for the easy round. The question is, ano ang susunod na term sa sequence na 1, 3, 9, 27, 81? What is the next? Ano ang susunod na term sa sequence na 1, 3, 9, 27, 81? Yes, Hans.
6561.
Can you repeat that?
Oh, wait. 6,561.
That is 6,561 is incorrect. How about you?
243. 243.
243 is correct. That concludes our easy round. So just to recap the scores, Aisha has 20 points, while Hans has 10 points. Now we move on to our difficult round where each question is equivalent to 50 points.
Eto na. Pwede na humabol dito, Hans.
Pwedeng
Aisha,
humabol.
you ready? Okay, now we are moving on now to the difficult round.
Here is your first question. What is the length of the mid-segment given a trapezoid with bases equal to 11 and 25? Hans.
18.
18 is correct.
Now, let's move on to the next question. The next question is, who is known as the father of genetics? Yes, Aisha.
Gregor Mendel.
Gregor Mendel is correct! Alam mo, feeling ko, mas nagadalian sila sa difficult round.
Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for the difficult round. I guess that concludes our UH Quiz B for today. So our UH Quiz B champion is Aisha with 70 points.
Wow! All right, let's go to the middle.
Tara. Ayan.
All right, sige. Okay, so si Aisha and si Hans, please step up.
Dito tayo.
Okay, doon ka sa
Oo.
kabila, bro. All
Okay,
right,
awarding
so,
nyo na.
Ito muna ang ating, of course, our Quiz Bee champion for today is Aisha!
Yes, palakpakan nyo naman si Aisha, guys.
At meron siya siyempre 5,000 pesos. Binusa ko na eh, no?
At syempre may
5,000
silver
pesos.
medal din si Hans. Ayan. At syempre
Yes.
3,000 pesos. Para naman
Congratulations!
sa mga umagang puno ng kaalaman, tumutok lang kayo sa pamansang morning show kung saan laging una ka.
Unang hirit!